Hey there, welcome back to Health Sync, your one-stop spot for feel-good, live better content. Today we're cracking into something crunchy, affordable, and seriously underrated: peanuts. Yup, these little legumes are more than just a snack. They're a science-backed superfood you should totally be eating every day. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a nutty episode from Health Sync. Let's dive into the top 10 benefits of peanuts, backed by science and guaranteed to blow your mind. Number 1. The heart's best friend. Peanuts are packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol. And thanks to a compound called arginine, they also help your blood vessels stay flexible and healthy. Just 30 grams a day could cut your risk of heart disease by 30%. That's nuts. Number 2. Plant-based protein. Punch. 1 ounce of peanuts equals 7 grams of protein. That's solid fuel for your muscles and perfect for anyone going plant-based. Vegans and vegetarians, this one's for you. Number 3. Brain boost in every bite. Peanuts are rich in niacin and resveratrol, nutrients that supercharge your brain. Some studies even suggest they may slash your risk of Alzheimer's by up to 70%. Talk about smart snacking. Number 4. Stable blood sugar, naturally. Thanks to their magnesium and healthy fats, peanuts help slow down sugar absorption, a major win for anyone managing diabetes. Daily munchers have shown better blood sugar control. Number 5. Weight loss. That actually works. Peanuts are high in calories, sure, but they're also high in fiber and protein, which makes you feel full longer. Studies show they can reduce appetite by up to 30%. Snack smart, not less. Number 6. Energy enhancer. Peanuts are loaded with B vitamins and healthy fats for long-lasting energy. Need a pre-workout pick-me-up? Grab a handful and go. Number 7. Skin and hair savior. Vitamin E, biotin, and zinc make peanuts a beauty snack. They help reduce acne, fight hair fall, and even speed up wound healing. Number 8. Cancer fighter. Phytosterols found in peanuts may slow tumor growth by up to 40%, especially powerful against colon and breast cancer. Mother Nature knows best. Number 9. Bone strengthener. Magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus work together to keep your bones strong and prevent osteoporosis as you age. Crunch your way to strength. Number 10. Mood elevator. Feeling low? Peanuts are rich in tryptophan, which boosts serotonin, your natural feel-good hormone. A tasty mood lifter for stress and anxiety. So there you have it. 10 solid reasons to keep peanuts in your daily routine. Which benefit surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a bite-sized health tip from Health Sync.